I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have an unusual banner for today. It's how to get ripped off by a tax resolution company by a former IRS agent. I've worked at IRS for 10 years. I've been in private practice for 40 years. I have been doing this 50 years in the same profession, and I still love what I'm doing today. I do these videos for 3 reasons: so you don't get ripped off, you learn the truth. I give you enough educational material within 5 minutes that you can make a very, very well-founded decision on what you want to do. I've been on the national news many times. I've worked over 10,000 cases in my life. I've been doing this since 1973. I sit here casually right here at home, bust out these videos. I don't need to read a script. My scripts really are up here. And you can see me. I've been on the national news a lot. You may not believe it. I've been on Fox twice, ABC, Washington Bureau, the Briefing Room, CBS, NBC, Newsmax, News Nation, and a host of other. And I've been commented many times in many major journals. Anyway, like I said, you're here today so you don't get ripped off and you know the truth. So today I want to talk to you about how to get ripped off by a big resolution company. I've always taken the opposite approach, but I figure this would get your attention. First of all, let me tell you the signs of a big tax debt resolution company. By the way, they're the ones you see all the ads. They spend about $250,000 a month in advertising. That's all you see. Redirect ads. Everything that comes to you. They get mail. You do everything. Once you speak to a high pressure salesman, hang up the phone. Hang up the phone. It's the first sign that someone's asking you to sign up. They haven't given you a lot of technical information, and when they do, you know you're speaking to con men and artists. Let me tell you what happens here. So these large companies have these huge budgets. Like I said, $250,000 a month. They pay them a lot of money. They read scripts. They're professional salesmen. They know how to sell and get in your pocket. They can do this to any profession. They just happen to be really good salesmen reading scripts. The company takes a chunk out of that. And the people in the back office who are doing the work usually make about 5%. I know people have a large Facebook following. I know for a fact these people don't make squat. There's people that are newer in the industry. They need work. They take a lot of cases. They're pressured to close their cases fast. So how do you know that how do you know you won't be ripped off? Here it is. So you have to be speaking to an attorney, a CPA, or enrolled agent. If you're not, then that person can't represent you in front of Internal Revenue Service, thus they have no experience, and that disqualifies them for representation. A tax attorney, or sorry, an attorney can't reach out to you. So when you call, you want to speak to an enrolled agent, a CPA, or an attorney. Like if you call us, you only speak to me. I don't let anyone else take calls. I take all my own calls. I want to hear the case, see if I want the case, and see if the case is something that we can work and we can have business with. Not all cases are. The second thing is you must give the IRS financial statement to the person who is doing the work. What IRS wants to see is the financial statement. Don't let them do a modified financial statement, one they put together. Go ahead and submit the original financial statement that IRS wants to see. That's either going to be a 433F, a 433A, or if it's an offer, a 433 OIC. I know I went fast. You can replay it, but it's academic. I'm just letting you know I know what I'm talking about. At the end of the day, Zoom with the person. You want to Zoom with me. If you want me to take your business, Zoom with me. Let me tell you what I know. I've worked so many cases that when you talk to me, I'll tell you exactly how your case is going to end up in a case of an audit, because I've never looked at your records, so I will never know. Don't get ripped off by the big tax resolution companies. They're waiting to do this. Know better. Know what you're doing. Check. Give me a subscription if you would. I really appreciate it, because YouTube says we all need them. Thank you.